Wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hilma Restuani from Mathematics Education. In this opportunity, I will presenting an articles analyzing as a project of final exam in English of scientific paper. A scientific paper draws the research performed by an individual or a group of people. This paper showcased valuable analyses and fields like theoretical physics, mathematics, etc., and are routinely published in scientific journals. Scientific papers are for sharing your own original research work with other scientists or for reviewing the research conducted by others. As such, they are critical to the evolution of modern science, in which the work of one scientist builds upon that the others. The structure of scientific paper are title, abstract, introduction, method, result and discussion, conclusion, acknowledgement, and reference. An article I chose was from JIML or Journal of Innovative Mathematics Learning. I analyze this article, and then the first is title, the effectiveness of mathematics teaching materials on problem-solving ability in junior high school students. This part is authors and their affiliation and their emails. Yunir Rahmatun Nisa and Risma Amelia, Mathematics Education, IKIP Siliwangi, Jalan Terusan Jenderal Sudirman, Cimahi, Jawa Barat, Indonesia, and this is their emails. The second part of the structure of scientific paper is abstract, and this part of abstract. With this part, the reader will determine what the authors found, and based on this information, they often decide if they will read the rest of paper or not. An abstract usually used by readers to quickly review the overall content of the paper. This is abstract. And then introduction, the second part of structure of scientific paper. Introduction, which explains background information on the problem investigated, also with exam expert opinion. In this part, explain what reason of author research. This is opening of introduction, explain general definition of mathematics from the expert's opinion. This is introduction, and then this part is why the student have a problem solving skill to learn mathematics. And then this part is what the authors found in, and this part what the authors found did in research. The utilization of teaching materials in learning process has an important role. For a clearer understanding, each role will be explained as follows for teachers. As Pratowo 2015 mentioned that teaching materials for teachers have a role, namely with teaching materials, students can be assigned the topic first or the material to be studied So the teacher does not need to explain the existence of teaching material is learning activities. The teacher is more with teaching material, the learning process will be more effective in solving students' mathematics problems. Then this study discussed the effectiveness of mathematics teaching materials on problem solving ability in junior high school students. Next, method. Method are others ways of collecting and analyzing data. While for this research technique, use experimental research and descriptive analysis. This is method. And the authors use opinion conveyed by Mulyasa because this research does not only analyze the teaching materials but also analyze the teaching materials and problem solving abilities of junior high school students. And then result and discussion. This section containing a description about the main finding of a research. This is the main findings of a research, and then we move to discussion. In this section, discussion section containing the description about the main finding of research. Discussion section interprets the result and provides the significance of the findings in this discussion. Okay. Next, the author's conclusion. There are three conclusions from the authors. The first, interaction effectiveness at 3 Success Junior High School shows results that are categorized as less effective. The second, effectiveness of understanding at 3 Success Junior High School shows results that are categorized as quite effective. And the third, the effectiveness of teaching material on problem-solving abilities at 3 Success Junior High School shows results that are categorized as less effective. And then acknowledgement. This part, acknowledgement conveyed generally. Example, generally, all parties who have contributed to this research. In particular, the school has allowed researchers to collect data and all planned research activities. And also, the team would like to thank to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for without His grace and His guidance, all these activities will not run smoothly and successfully. Acknowledgement conveyed generally. And then reference, used to give credit to their work, to support an argument, to acknowledgement others' works, to distinguish other authors' ideas from one's work, and to direct readers to search of information. Okay, finally we arrive at the end of my presentation. I apologize about my mistakes. Thank you for your all attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.